The next section, Keywords Explorer, lets you pick up the keywords to work with. This section shows all the keywords that your app is indexed by. You can filter the keywords above and choose how many words should be in a query or select Show All. Also, you can remove keywords that have been added in a Keywords Analysis section with just one click. All you need to do in this section is click the light bulb icon and you will see the suggest for a keyword in the window to the right. Those can be keywords with any search volume values that you can always use. To add your favorite keywords, click plus, then scroll down and click Save. And that's not it, because actually you can enter here any keyword you like. As you can see here, there are 10 suggests for a keyword I just typed. Also, you can filter keywords by their search volume as well as use a search bar.